Guys, let's see how to capture the web elements as well, right? So we'll go to the Facebook web page and let me see. We can use the another locator as well. I am clicking this surname text field. Now here you can see ID attribute is there. Okay. Now we can use this ID as well. So now I'm going to Eclipse IDE. Same set of code we need to apply here as well. Yeah, wait, get install the ID. Okay, here we go. Okay, web element tf underscore surname equal driver dot find element by dot. Here I am going to use the ID locator. So here you can see the first option is the ID one. I am selecting that one. So inside the double quotes you need to give this ID. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Okay, very simple. Now you need to use this surname variable to call in this send keys method, and you can enter the text you want to that surname field. So I am here entering this surname like that, right? Now we are okay with the ID locator as well. Now I am going to use the link text locator and the partial link text locators. Let's see how we can use those as well. Okay, now I am again web element link underscore. I'm going to use this forgotten account link. Going to capture this link available in this web page forgotten account. So here you need to use by dot link text. So here you can see the first option is giving like link text option. Just select that inside the double quotes. Just click that click click this link using that selector, and here you can just copy this whole text, go to the ID, just paste it, right? Now we can click that link using this variable, and we need to use the command like click command in Selenium provided by Selenium. Now we are okay with this link text locator as well. Okay, now let's run this small script and see whether the all the captured locators are working fine. Okay, so the main purpose of this video tutorial is to demonstrate to how to use these locators. But we need to implement the framework in a better way. So it is totally different. But here I simply just created the only the simple Java class, and I use all the codes inside the within the same class. Okay, now let's run the file again. Right, the browser is opened, maximized, and go to the facebook.com, entering the first name, last name, and you can see there the click the forgotten account as well, right? So now we see I'm going to comment these two lines, and I'm going to use the partial link text locator. Let's see how to do that. It's very simple. Here I use the partial link text. So you can use the partial text here. No need to use the whole text. We can use the just forgotten text as well. Just enter that copied text here. So the during the execution, it will search for this text in the web page, and simply click on that link. Dot click. Okay, let me run the file again. Okay, okay, yeah, you can see easily click that forgotten using that forgotten partial link, right? Partial link text, right? So this is what I just want you to show, show this using this video tutorial. And I'm planning to do move forward. I'm planning to use CSS selectors, locator, and the XPath as well. So I'll I'll come up with a proper video tutorial to how to use those locators as well. I mean the for the XPath as well as the CSS selectors. Okay, so at the end we can simply use this driver.quit command to close the browser. Let's see. So these are simple Selenium commands. So I'm planning to share my knowledge in the upcoming video tutorials one by one. So I hope I'm I'll try my level best to share my knowledge with you guys. So if you feel that you got something out of this video tutorial, let's keep touch with me, right? So thank you all of you guys. Bye bye.